What's the meaning of cobbles? Cobbles. Cobbles.
Cobbles. Cobbles. Cobbles refer to small, rounded stones often used to pave roads or create decorative surfaces. They can range in size from a few centimeters to several inches and are typically made of materials such as granite, basalt, or limestone. When used for paving, cobbles are laid in a pattern to create a stable surface that is both durable and visually appealing. The result is a surface that can withstand heavy traffic and weathering while also adding a distinct aesthetic element to the area in which they are used.